Yo, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to teach you one of the easiest way to record the screen of your computer along with an audio. So to do this, you're going to need first a headset with a microphone to record your voice, and the second thing is you have to download a software called ISpring Free Cam on the internet. It is a free software that you can download on the web. So I'm going to leave the download link on the description below so you can go directly on the website where you can download the software. After clicking on the link below, you're going to end up on this window right here where you can see that here the download link for the iSpring Free Cam. So you'll just have to click on this download link to start downloading the installer for the software. After downloading the installer for the software, you'll just have to run it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope that I was able to help you, and please do not forget to click subscribe. Thank you.